Meitu, located at Zhongshan City, a historical city famous as the hometown of Sun Yat-sen, and the hub of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Great Bay Area. Concentrating the industry for over 10 years, the company becomes a large-scale comprehensive manufacturing service provider specializing in the food contact packaging products in China. She committed to providing customers with comprehensive solutions from R&D to mass production. Company's product range covers injection plastic, wood, bamboo, and environmental-friendly materials such as CPLA. Products are widely used in food, beverage industry, catering service industry, and supplied to the world's large chain supermarkets, international airlines, and so on. To meet the different needs of customers, the company introduces advanced automatic production equipment, achieving diverse production processes, such as injection molding, blister molding, extrusion molding, thermal compression molding, IML, IMD, acrylic cutting, etc. The company has different types of automatic production lines, including EVOH2 production line, automatic sheet production line, ultra-high-speed blister production line, acrylic craft production line, tableware printing and packaging line, etc. Intelligent operation runs through the whole production process, effectively ensuring the consistency of quality and efficiency of production. Meanwhile, to secure the development progress of new projects and shorten tooling lead time, the company has built a 3,500 square meters of professional tooling workshop equipped with high-precision tooling processing machines, such as Makino from Japan, Roeders from Germany, and Stanley from China. The tooling workshop has an annual capacity of more than 400 sets of tooling and also provides professional and efficient full-time warranty services for toolings in production. Safety and hygiene are the basic principle of Meitu production. The company has been awarded BRC certification, QS certification, WCA certification, and implements dust-free workshop management, from the storage and transportation of raw materials to personnel health management, production, packaging, and finished product storage. Every process is strictly controlled. In addition, the workshop is equipped with advanced energy-saving management system for energy and cost optimization. It effectively reduces energy consumption. Technological innovation is the fundamental driving of enterprise development. The company has a professional R&D team with rich design and development experience. Nearly 100 new patents are granted. It is awarded as the National and Municipal Technical Center and Automatic Processing Engineering Technology Center. According to different performance requirements of products, the company has set up a professional testing center, strictly implements the ISO IEC standard laboratory management system. It can process quality and functional tests meeting the requirements of certifications. With exquisite craft and excellent quality, Meitu's products award the recognitions and praises from market and customers. Every day, the large number of Meitu's products are delivered from the 30,000 square meter Meitu Logistics Park to all over the world. So far, more than 60 well-known brands in over 20 countries and regions have established strategic cooperative relations with Meitu. Looking into the future, Meitu will continue to adhere to the core spirit of innovation, collaboration, integrity, and win-win, committing to providing professional, efficient, convenient, and satisfactory services to global customers, and continue to deliver the best cooperation experience to customers. Meitu achieves customers' vision and focuses on innovation and quality.